Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Explorer. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your Explorer's display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring everything is ready to go. Now, let's pair your phone. From the Sync menu, choose the Add Device option. Your Explorer will then generate a unique PIN. Verify that this same PIN appears on your phone's screen. Once confirmed, your phone should show up in the list of available devices, ready for the next step in the connection process. To finalize the connection, simply select your phone's name from the list displayed on your Explorer's sync screen. You might be prompted to grant permission for phonebook access. It's generally recommended to allow this for full functionality. With these steps, your device is now successfully connected, enabling hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Try restarting both your mobile phone and the sync system in your Explorer. Sometimes, deleting old, unused pairings can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth visibility is set to discoverable. These simple steps often fix common connectivity glitches, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.